Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. Today we are reading What Does It Mean to Be Present by Rana DiOrio and illustrated by Eliza Wheeler. What does it mean to be present? Does it mean showing up in class? No. Does it mean sharing something at show and tell? No. Does it mean wrapping yourself up? No. Being present means listening carefully when other people are speaking. Noticing when someone needs help and taking the time to give them the help they need. Focusing on what's happening now instead of thinking about what's happening next. Appreciating what you have even if what someone else has seems better. Waiting patiently for your turn. Treating each new experience as an opportunity and understanding that making mistakes is how we learn and grow. Being grateful for your family and friends and telling them so. Savoring each bite of your delicious food. Yum. Cuddling with your puppy and enjoying how soft and wriggly he feels. Relishing the warmth of the sun and the sound of the rain. Shh. Feeling the sand between your toes and watching the rolling waves and smelling the briny seaweed. Listening to the cawing seagulls and tasting the ocean's salty spray. Allowing the rhythm of your breath in and out, in and out. To make you feel peaceful. Closing your eyes and being still enough to hear your inner voice. Being present means living in the moment. It means realizing that yesterday is history and tomorrow is a mystery, and today is a gift. That's why we call it the present. So tell your friends what it means to be present and spread the word. When we're all present, life can be much richer, fuller, and happier. The end.